This is the Audiology Basic Plus package. It includes the MDL 4872S, a single-wall booth measuring 4 feet 2 inches by 6 feet 2 inches with wheelchair-accessible upgrades. The entrance includes a wide access door and ramp for smooth entry. The wall window provides visibility for both clinicians and patients. The fold-out desk saves space while powering your setup with built-in outlets. The multi-jack panel makes equipment connections simple and organized. A quiet airflow system keeps the booth comfortable during testing sessions. The ventilation silencing system reduces internal fan noise for accurate test results, and the exterior fan silencer minimizes outside fan sounds. The wide access door has a large window for clear visibility. Auralex Studio Foam reduces reflections inside the booth for accurate results, and cable passages keep wires neat and fully connected.